Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. AI tools are changing the way developers write, test, and even think about the code. In 2025, three names are taking over the AI coding world: Cursor, Windsurf, and Trae. All of them promise one thing: to make you faster, smarter, and more productive. But which one actually delivers? Today, we'll dive deep into how each one works, what makes them different, and which one's best depending on your workflow. We'll cover their interface, AI capabilities, collaboration tools, pricing, and even a real-world pros and cons. Let's just jump right into it. In just a few years, AI has gone from writing snippets to literally co-developing entire applications. We have seen GitHub Copilot spark the movement, and now tools like Cursor, Windsurf, and Trae are pushing into much further. Cursor wants to be your AI pair programmer inside a familiar, clean code editor. Windsurf redefines the whole development environment. It's like a futuristic IDE that deeply understands your codebase. Trae aims even higher. It calls itself an AI engineer that can build entire apps for you from a simple prompt. Each one of these tools takes a different approach to the same goal: faster, better code, and less friction. So which one truly helps you get there? Let's break it down one by one. Cursor, smart, controlled AI coding. Cursor is built on the foundation of VS Code, but it's fully reimagined with AI at its core. If you have used Copilot, imagine something 10 times smarter with full project awareness and chat-based problem solving. What makes Cursor stands out? It don't just autocomplete, it understands your entire project. You can ask it to refactor, explain, generate new features, or debug step by step. It keeps your flow inside one interface. No more bouncing between ChatGPT and your code editor. Privacy mode lets you keep sensitive projects fully local. Cursor feels like working with the real assistant who knows your code base. Strengths: extremely fast suggestions with deep context. Perfect for solo devs or small teams. Works great with popular frameworks like React, Next.js, and Node. Weaknesses: you still have to think like a developer. It won't build a project for you from scratch. Occasional confusion on large multi-repo setups. Cursor is for devs who want control, power, and a clean workflow. It's like giving your favorite editor superpowers. Windsurf, full-stack powerhouse. Windsurf, on the other hand, takes things to another level. It is not just an editor, it's a complete AI-native IDE built for teams, automation, and deep code understanding. What Windsurf offers: AI agents that can build components, generate APIs, and test them automatically. Full stack awareness: it knows how your backend and frontend connect. Designed for collaboration, shared context, live previews, and team notes. Strong UI with built-in debugging, Git management, and multi-language support. It's the kind of tool you'd want for a company-level project. Something with multiple devs and fast iteration cycles. Strengths: handles big complex apps with ease. Great at maintaining consistency across files and logic layers. Encourages teamwork and rapid prototyping. Weaknesses: learning curve is steeper than Cursor, heavier on system resources, and subscription-based models might be pricey for solo users. If Cursor is a sports car for coding, Windsurf is a spaceship, powerful, complex, and built for long missions. Lastly, we have Trae, the AI engineer concept. Trae is the wild card in this lineup. It doesn't just help you code, it wants to be the coder. Its tagline: the 10 times AI engineer. You simply describe what you want, say build a dashboard with authentication and database, and Trae will try to handle the entire process, plan, structure, and generate the code. What's interesting about Trae: it focuses on natural language software creation, promises automatic architecture and code generations, can produce working MVPs in minutes. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's still early days. Pros: fantastic for idea testing and quick prototyping. Lets non-technical founders create working apps. Can save days or even weeks of setup. Cons: you lose fine-grained control. It might generate code that's hard to edit later. Quality varies between outputs. Some developers raised privacy and telemetry concerns about the data sharing. Trae is innovative, but it is not yet as reliable for production-grade software. Think of it as an experimental, but promising. Bottom line is, Cursor gives developers control and efficiency. Windsurf delivers power and collaboration for big teams. Trae explores the future, where AI might build software on its own. For 2025, Cursor takes the crown for practicality and consistency. Windsurf follows closely for professional teams, and Trae, well, it's one to keep an eye on. The concept is revolutionary. And that wraps up our Cursor versus Windsurf versus Trae deep dive. If this breakdown helped you decide which tool fits your workflow, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments which AI tool are you using right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.